Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So today is actually quite cool because we're getting snow. And I tried to help the snow out a bit by using my snow foam, but on my BMW, because it gets dirty quite quick due to being a station wagon. But yeah, I just had to wash it, but I will wipe it off and then continue on my Supra. So I have removed 3 out of 4 hubs, so I will remove the final one, front left. And I have also ordered paint for the hubs, the drive shafts, and the power steering pump. So that will show up in a few days. So I need to disassemble all the parts. I need to buy more parts. Need new bearings. Yeah, a bunch of stuff. We'll take that later. But let's go there and then there. Okay, so basically we have the same thing to do here as we did on the right hand side. The only difference is that I'm not sure what I've done to the cable here before, but otherwise we have one screw here to remove the bracket for the cable. We will remove the brake line bracket, and then we have 3 locking pins to remove. So tie rod, the thingy from the lower control arm, and also from the upper control arm. So hopefully I have all the tools that I need to remove it. So let's get started. So the front left hub or spindle is removed. The connector for the ABS speed sensor is quite easy. Just push down and pull off. And we have this rubber grommet that's up there. So I think I can call this a win. We will see what happens with the current speed sensors. I don't think I will be able to remove them without breaking them entirely. This paint or color is, I'm not sure where this is from. If you look here, we have black, but we also have yellow, the same yellow that you see here, which a previous owner painted it in over the dirt basically, so it's quite easy to remove. And you can also see that this one is not modified for the new brakes, so that will also have to be done. And of course I will be doing a CAD drawing of everything. So I will clean up and go home. So and I don't think you will enjoy watching that. So I will end this episode here, but thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.